No, cariblancas. White face. Capuchin monkeys. That's it. These are very active. They move a little bit.
They're fast. They're always moving around.
They are 40 centimeters, 45. Black body with white face. They're moving more down. Gotcha. They are next to the royal palm. On the right side, that palm. There.
Oh yeah.
Nearly 12 o'clock. Okay. There is one which is gonna. One of them is just on that tree. Look, just next to the royal palm. That tree which is like a little bit curved. And
There he
he's
is.
climbing on the vine. You see him?
Oh, I see him.
He's going up.
Look at him.
There he is.
Ah. Yep.
He's going up.
They're a nice one. Feed on everything.
They just love it all.
Yeah. They really much more on insects, but they eat everything. Meat, insects, seeds, fruits.
They're just like people. They just eat whatever's in front of
Yeah.
them.
It's the only monkey which drinks water as human.
Oh, really?
Like with their hands, you know?
Oh, but
Why
the other
they-
ones don't do that.
With their mouth, like a dog,
Oh,
like
they
a
just put
horse.
their mouth. Okay, I see. Did you hear that, you guys? Dakota. Dakota. That's the only monkey that uses its hands to touch the water in its mouth like we do. All the other monkeys, they put their face in the water.
They are the most aggressive monkeys between spider or
This one?
howler. This one is the most aggressive one, the most intelligent one, clever one. These do not have a lot of fur or hair on their body, which they can felt mosquitoes bite.
Are they aggressive just in general, or are they aggressive only if they feel threatened?
Like that, yes.
Okay.
Not like in their group. And they are aggressive also like monkeys from their same group. If they steal their food, the
good.
another one food, so they will fight, you know.
Oh yeah.
There is another one moving just next to the red berries. If we get very close
Yeah.
to them,
Oh, I see him. He's getting ready to get some berries.
we get very close to them. Sometimes they do show their teeth
Oh,
and shake the branch, you know, like rushing the people from the area. There is him.
because they think we're gonna come up there and get those berries.
Yes. Has prehensile tail, like creeping tail, but they do use it much more as a balance.
Okay.
There is an oropendula bird right there. Nice. These are the only ones which comes to the ground often. And these are females looking for meats like lizards, iguanas. Between two monkeys, whiteface can hunt an iguana of 2 meters. Between two monkeys can hunt a turkey.
Oh,
Very social monkeys. Live in troops, 15 to 20 maximum. In the group there is there is more juveniles than adult ones. So adults can be just 4 And then the rest gonna be juveniles or teenagers, young ones. There you go, you.